Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today is just gonna be like some general cleaning and just some random things I have to do around the house, but my kids, who are 7 and 5, are going to be doing the voiceover. I'm so excited. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm actually gonna have my husband help them do it, so that way I have no part in it at all. So my husband has done a voiceover for my cleaning videos before. If you haven't seen it, make sure you do. It's so cute. So I am going to get cleaning, but make sure you are subscribed and let's get started.
Welcome back to Mama's channel. Today she's going to be cleaning our rooms and cleaning up our bathroom. Came along, couldn't look away. Now she's gonna make my bed. Completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace.
And I just wanted to mention that today's video is a collab with my wonderful, beautiful friends here on YouTube and Instagram and real life now. We haven't met in person yet, but we have a little group chat that we like to text each other, but it is Whitney Gorman and Sara Beth vlogs. So their kids are going to be doing the same video. They're going to be doing a cleaning video and having their kids do the voiceover. So make sure you guys go check out their videos. I'll have their channels linked down below.
Now she's gonna fold my laundry and put away all my toys. Your silhouette dancing on the wall. I try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can stand. But every time I think these scars about to mend. She's gonna clean up my closet. It was really messy. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Nobody got the magic touch. How you make my heart rush. Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss, something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Still gonna be dreaming. Now my room is nice and neat, thanks, Mom. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. Now Mom's making my bed. I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No, no, no. Yeah. Now Mom's cleaning up my Barbies and my LOLs. Still gonna be dreaming of you. My room was really messy. I have 3 American Girl dolls, Ashlyn, Blair, and Julie.
Like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted.
Now my room's nice and clean. Thanks, Mom. I love you.
Oh, yeah. Now it's time for something better. And time for us to follow.
Now Mom's gonna be cleaning the bathroom.
Come run away. Don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide.
Now our house is nice and clean. Subscribe to Mommy's channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the kids gave you a good laugh there. I'm sure, I don't know, I'm filming this before they do the voiceover, so I'm sure they did an amazing job. But I figured just cleaning their rooms and tidying theirs up and tidying up their bathroom, they'd be able to kind of speak to you a little bit more about what I'm doing. So that was my thought process there. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. I hope it gave you a good laugh and a smile. So I hope you consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.